Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Mavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs one, Amazulu one. I'm joined by Mutau from Temu.
Sure, Steve. Aye, kacheko akithe Steve. Aye, akibathe like this is so disgusting, man. Like yeah, because like this is in Steve. I was expecting a solid Kaizer Chiefs, which is going to give us a challenge, ne? Yeah. And then they're failing to pick up the points while the other teams are still combining themselves. Now Rina Riella Mofomong Steve. Like yeah, we are going to be strong. Yeah. It is a time where Chiefs is supposed to recruit the points. Yeah, well done to Mayo. He deserves a defender of the season. Kamuva, like yeah, the guy. We got a new I think Kaizer Chiefs, they should stop buying rejects. There is a reason why that team there in Africa,
Esperance.
Released this guy. They have got a reason. So taking rejects is gonna lead to results like this. This guy, he think like he's bigger than Chiefs. He is taking decision as an individual to raise his status. He's not thinking for 3 points for the team. Stibo, like Akile Sundowns, but Kaizer Chiefs fans, they are more ambitious. Like even if Badalali Rinako Lucas Moripe, you can see the stadium is fully packed. That's ambition. Like they are more serious, even more than the team management. Wanswara Stibo.
Than team management?
Yeah, than team management. The supporters are Chiefs. They can even cry, like you can see a guy crying over Kaizer Chiefs. You see?
General Seras of it Bob's Day.
Yeah, Muna. So what happened today, Steve? Kaizer Chiefs supporters, I think sometimes they should keep quiet, They must stop chanting that assistant coach must make decisions because assistant coach he doesn't have confidence like other coaches, the experienced coaches. Some experienced coaches like Wonabi, so like Wokadoso, so those guys they can handle pressure. So assistant coach, they take decision based on the fans. The fans were chanting, Lilepo should take a penalty. Lilepo, he went there. Maybe he didn't want to take that penalty, but just because the assistant coach is saying no, take that penalty, he just took it. But he's panicking. You can't make a right choice while you are panicking, Steve. So I just want to say this league, is very competitive, and if Chiefs they don't collect points this time, in the second leg of the league, it's gonna be much difficult for them. And slowly they are exiting the door of top 8. Now they are on number 5. Slowly but surely.
3 away.
Slowly but surely.
Thank you very much. Sure.